Welcome to the future of industrial monitoring, the NCD wireless current monitor for MQTT over Wi-Fi. No need for a gateway. Just effortless connectivity. Simply connect this powerful sensor to your existing cloud service, and watch as it effortlessly transmits real-time AC current data. But it doesn't stop there. This cutting-edge device is your key to unlocking crucial insights. Imagine being able to monitor the exact time your machines are operational or idle, allowing you to optimize productivity like never before. And that's not all. The wireless current monitor is your vigilant guardian, always on the lookout for abnormalities. The moment something goes awry, this intelligent sensor detects the slightest shift in power consumption, sending data to the cloud and raising the alarm, enabling you to address the problem swiftly. It's a game changer for compressors, pumps, motors, and CNC machines, essential tools in countless industries. With the wireless current monitor, you gain unparalleled control, optimizing efficiency, preventing costly downtime, and significantly reducing maintenance expenses. Elevate your industrial operations to new heights with the wireless current monitor for MQTT over Wi-Fi. Visit our website or contact us today for more information.